When utilizing our DIY tool, you can add in crucial architectural elements such as windows and doors. If you hit room shape in the top left and come down to add room elements, we have the door options here, as well as the window options. In my case, I need a clear window on my 144-inch wall. I'm just going to place it for now, come back in, adjust the width to 36 inches, enter on my keyboard. I'm also able to now adjust the window's distance from the left or right hand corner. So I'm going to adjust from the left 54 inches. Once I see that my changes are all set, I will X out. Now that my window's placed, I'm going to go ahead and add in my 36-inch sink base below my window. Just going to adjust it here. Same thing, I can update from left or right. 54 inches, and it's placed right below my window. Utilizing the windows and doors and our DIY tool will allow you to place cabinets that are not only the most functional for your space, but also the most fitting to what's already there.